Hello students, welcome to the topic to make a plastic tank with plastic sheet of PVC dimension 150 by 100 by 100 millimeters. The objective of this procedure is to fabricate a small plastic square tank using a plastic welding gun, ensuring a strong and leak-free structure.
This topic involves the use of several tools and equipment. Here are the main tools commonly used. Plastic welding gun with temperature control. Plastic sheets of the desired material and thickness for the tank. Ruler. Safety goggles. Heat-resistant gloves. Clamps. Cleaning solvent, for example acetone. Sandpaper or abrasive cloth. Measuring tools, for example ruler, square. Marker or pen for marking measurements. Paper towels or clean cloth. Process. Safety preparations. A. Put on your safety goggles and heat-resistant gloves. B. Ensure the work area is well ventilated or set up a fume extraction system if available. C. Keep a fire extinguisher nearby as a precaution. Design and measurements. A. Determine the size and dimensions of the square tank you want to fabricate. B. Create a square template or mark measurements on the plastic sheets accordingly. Cut plastic sheets. A. Use measuring tools to mark and cut the plastic sheets into the required pieces for the tank sides, bottom, and top, if applicable. Prepare the edges. A. Use sandpaper or abrasive cloth to roughen the edges of the plastic pieces. This will help the welding rod adhere better. B. Clean the roughened edges with a cleaning solvent, for example acetone, and a clean cloth or paper towel to remove any contaminants. Preheat the welding gun. A. Turn on the plastic welding gun and set it to the appropriate temperature for the selected plastic material. Refer to the manufacturer's instructions for specific temperature settings. Welding. A. Begin by welding the sides of the tank together. Hold the plastic pieces at the desired angle and apply the welding gun's nozzle to melt the edges. B. Move the welding gun along the joints, melting the plastic and welding the pieces together. Apply slight pressure to ensure a secure bond. C. Continue welding until all sides are connected to form the tank's main structure. If your tank has a removable top, leave an opening for access. Cooling. A. Allow the welded tank structure to cool naturally. Do not use forced cooling methods like water, as it can weaken the bond. Reinforcement. A. For added strength, consider reinforcing the corners and seams with additional welding passes. Final inspection. A. Carefully inspect the tank for any imperfections or weak spots. B. Ensure all corners and seams are securely welded. Cleanup. A. Turn off the plastic welding gun and allow it to cool. B. Clean all equipment and dispose of any waste material properly. Testing. A. Perform a leak test by filling the tank with water to ensure there are no breaches in the seal. Final inspection and use. A. Once the tank has passed the leak test, it is ready for use.
Always wear safety goggles and heat resistance gloves to protect your eyes and hands. Work in well ventilated area or use a fume extraction system to prevent inhalation of fumes. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for the plastic welding gun and rod. Be cautious of hot surfaces and material during the welding process. Keep the work area clean and free of any flammable materials. The topic revolves around preparing the plastic sheet as per drawing, explaining plastic weld test, maintaining temperature range and preheating the welding gun. I hope you have understood all the concepts and exercises. In our next video, we will bring you another wonderful concept. Till then, take care.